Do you like Japanese curry? Today I'm sharing a simple 10-minute curry recipe perfect for solo cooking. I'm mixing brown rice with GABA grains to make a healthy bowl of rice. Slice an onion, add it to a pan with oil, and stir-fry for about 2 minutes until it turns golden. Add a handful of diced beef sirloin with 1 tablespoon cooking wine and cook for another 2 minutes. Throw in a handful of frozen stir-fry vegetables, cook for 2 more minutes, then add 1 pack of curry sauce base. Stir and simmer for 2 minutes, then pour the sauce over your rice and it's ready. This way you cut down prep time but still get maximum flavor. People often think curry takes too much work, but even if you're cooking for one, it's not hard at all. It's quick but still has that restaurant quality taste, so I highly recommend it. Look forward to the next recipe, and keep it simple with Simple K Meal.